In this video, we will learn how to use Xlookup for multiple values in same column at once. So let's start. I using here the Xlookup to get the output total sale as per the product. So I select the cell is equal to Xlookup. Lookup value, I select the all product, comma, lookup array, product column. Return array means output. So here I want output total cell. So I select the total cell column and bracket close and just enter. That's it. Here you see below cell also get the amount of total cell. You can check here the laptop. If I select the laptop product, the total cell amount is 19 lakh 91,790. Here see 19 lakh 790. Okay. There is a second way I show you monthly basis. I want your output total sale as per the month. So I'm using here again Xlookup. Lookup value. I select this my lookup value, comma. Lookup array all month row, then comma. Return array. Return array means output. Here what you want here output. So we want here output total sale. So I select here total sale and bracket close and just enter. And just enter. Here you see something is wrong. Oh, monthly total sale. It's a product. So I'm just remove this. Using here the Xlookup, lookup value, comma, lookup array, comma, return array means output. What you want here the output, the total sale monthly basis. So I select the total sale of month and bracket close and just enter. That's it. Here you see all data is automatically comes in below cell also. In Feb, see the total sale June, the total sale June. Here you see the total sale June matched. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.